This is the blueprint that worked for me on a gaming channel, but you can adapt it to your niche. First and foremost, go live consistently. YouTube live streams are the way to go because your live streams counts towards your 4,000 hours of watch time. So this is the essential part, okay? Now, it's only about math, okay? I was going 3 times per week for 3 hours constantly, like 3 times per week by playing a video game, right? So I was there 3 times per week, 3 hours, and I established, a schedule. I think it was when I started, I think it was Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays or something like that. And you really have to stick to that schedule so that people knows exactly you're going to be live on that particular time. I started, let's say, at 7 p.m. and I ended at 10 p.m. on the dot. It's important for you to establish and to stick to that schedule. Then you can repurpose the content. This is very important, okay? If you think, oh, you know what, Lily just told me that I just have to go live. Yes and no. You really need to utilize the full potential of your YouTube channel. So it is important for you to have videos, not just live streams, but videos. Now, it really depends on how you're going to be repurposing them. Probably during the live stream, you can extract a segment of it because it's very informative. It's actually more like a tutorial. Hey, you can extract that from your live stream and optimize it, probably edit, add a few things, just tweak it a little bit, upload it as a long form video, right? I can think about probably, let's say, a fitness channel, let's say a yoga teacher. So this yoga teacher can go live to do their exercises and yoga exercises 3 times per week for 3 hours straight, and people can just jump into the live stream, right? And then this teacher has the schedule. But from those 3-hour long videos, there is specific one exercise that he can extract from that live stream and put it as a long form video so that people browsing for that specific, let's say, yoga exercise, they're going to start getting to the channel. And then it's a process. People are going to go, oh, you know what? This creator goes live 3 times per week. Let's go ahead and watch it. And you have more viewers. Or you can do that with shorts too. There are a lot of highlights that you can definitely extract and probably get a minute or so from it and just upload it. So create long form videos and shorts from the streams, like tutorials or highlights. It's definitely it's going to be your bread and butter for you to repurpose and start growing. If you keep your streams public, let me rephrase that. Very important. Do not list your streams, okay? Because unlisted videos don't count towards your 4,000 hours of watch time. This is very important. If you're going to be doing this, do not unlist your live streams. Keep them public. So you might as well think twice whatever you say out there. So because if it's public, it's out there in the internet, right? So just be careful what you say. And, if you get too casual, you can edit it, by the way. That's a good news. If you go to your YouTube studio, it will give you an option to edit that. You can crop it and take it out. But yeah, just be mindful of that because you will keep these videos live for about 12 months. Remember that it's 12 months for you to get those 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, this is essentially math, okay? If you can get 15 viewers constantly, and this is an average. It could be that you have good days where you have 20 people. It could be bad days where you have 10. It's an average. But let's say that you average between 15 viewers for 3 hours, 3 times per day. Multiply that for 26 weeks, which is 6 months. You get 3,510 hours of watch time. Hey, you're only a few hours away from your YouTube partner program. Well, guess what? You repurpose content. So you have videos, you have shorts on your YouTube channel. You will hit those 4,000 hours of watch time in no time. The other pro tip that I can give you here, if you are 500 hours away from meeting that criteria, you can always ask for help. Like I ask for help in my community. A creator actually said to me, I don't want to be begging. It feels like I feel like, I'm asking people so they can help me, I can get money. That's not the case. If you really like your content, they will help you, okay? And it's not something that you're not asking for something very hard. Like, they can definitely go on and push it a little bit harder, play your older videos and leave them there playing for you. And that's the way that you can start gaining that traction. And if they see that you're very close, they will push harder because they really want to help. So that's something that you can ask your community for and say, hey, we're only 500 hours away from the YouTube Partner Program. Help me out. Here's a playlist. Do me a favor, and whenever you're working or studying or doing whatever, play my videos. Don't worry, I don't need you to watch them. Just listen to them. Just leave them there. Go and do something else. But you are helping me to reach that goal. And that is because if you want to go into the YouTube Partner Program, remember that if you get 3,000 hours of watch time, you at least get the first step of the YouTube Partner Program. So you can always start generating money from there and then slowly gain more hours so you can meet that YouTube Partner Program criteria. Again, this is the blueprint. This is how I did it within less than 6 months, and I got my channel monetized.